Hello, I'm Bill Spurlock, Director of Rutherford County Schools. I'd like to take a few moments to speak with you on career and technical education. The goal of every educator is to prepare students for college and careers. Now, we understand that college lasts a finite amount of time, whereas a career lasts a lifetime. Currently in the United States, college student loan debt is at $1.7 trillion. Now, this is not only unsustainable, it's unnecessary. Our mission statement in Rutherford County Schools is to empower today's students to grasp tomorrow's opportunities. These opportunities not only exist in our core classes, but they also exist in our career and technical education classes. We have 39 programs of study, and within each one of those programs of study, we have a multitude of career clusters. We have in our classes the ability for students to not only get high school credit, but also college credit. And some can even take an industry certification test and be prepared for some of the most challenging and the most rewarding careers. We are strong proponents of career technical education.
I chose this pathway because I wanted to go into engineering and I knew that it would be more hands-on. My counselor actually put me in it and I ended up really liking it. I didn't think that I would at first, but it turned out to help out with my future.
You really can get you can get an online experience with the classes with Motlow. You can also get a hands-on experience when you're in class with the mechanical or electrical class, working with gears or wires.
Some of the most important skills that you learn would be a lot of mechanical and electrical aspects of engineering.
My favorite experience would have been not only the classes, but working on the plasma table and the FANUCs that you also get to work on being in the mechatronics program.
Students should want to sign up for this program because you get to do a lot of hands-on things and experience different labs that we do in this program. You get to take electrical and mechanical and view a bunch of different aspects of engineering and how things work in real life.
This class will definitely prepare you for college, whether you're going to be in an engineering major or any major that will prepare you to be hands-on and get your work done on the appropriate time.
My name is Leonard Saletti, professor with Motlow MTSU, and I'm teaching mechatronics engineering at Oakland High School. Engineering has always been a passion for me. My father was an engineer, my sister's an engineer. I enjoy engineering, just being able to be creative, innovative, and those sort of things, and it's something that I enjoy passing on to students, and it's great being able to teach them hands-on engineering as well as just the theory piece of it. Students have a very unique experience in my classroom. They come from all different walks of life. It's students that like doing things hands-on, students that like programming, students that like robotics, students that are interested in engineering, tech sector. You want to put something in space, you want to design a car. It's a very broad engineering industry that they get to take a look at. So they kind of figure out what kind of engineering they want to go into, hardware, software, electrical, all those different kinds of engineering, because it's all developed into one course for mechatronics. So they go from the entire piece of design, development, simulation, implementation, and then they create a working product at the end. So you really get all facets of engineering as you go through the program. Many reasons to take this program. One is we're dual enrollment, so all the courses come with college credit. So you can earn anywhere from 18 credit hours all the way up to 61 credit hours because we have the associate's program. So we have students in our program that graduate with an associate's degree when they graduate high school. So they already have 2 years of university credit knocked out. So when they graduate, they'll only have to go to college for 2 more years to get their bachelor's degree. So that's a huge plus for us, is the amount of dual enrollment and college credit that they can earn with us. Plus they get the hands-on engineering experience. They get to work with a lot of different tools and machines and robots that no one else, in the state really gets to work with in our program.
I'm Scarlett Murphy. I teach mechatronics at Oakland High School. Saletti and I both have a degree in engineering. Mine's mechanical engineering technology and his is electrical. I did that for 9 years and I loved it, but I got into quality, so that was a little difficult. It's just negative all the time. So when I first started, I got into it because I loved CAD and I loved math and I liked problem solving. And so that's realistically why I love doing what I did. And then when I moved into the teaching, portion of it, I love watching the kids do the problem solving where like a light bulb kicks in and they're like, oh, wow. And then the application of what they're learning. So we say that, you take what you've learned in your core classes and you implement it into problem solving and what we're actually doing for engineering. And so I think that I love it because I get to take what I learned in those 9 years of engineering and I get to apply it into the classroom. Lots and lots of hands-on stuff. So they do, in my specific class, I teach freshmen and then I teach some sophomores and juniors and seniors. Actually, I teach all of them. But in my specific class, they get a lot of hands-on doing CAD. And that's my preference. Like, I love CAD. I could do it for hours. And I have some students that could do the same thing and they're really good at it. And so they get hands-on experience doing CAD using SolidWorks. They get a certification in it. And then we teach, both Sletty and I teach digital electronics. And so they get to use circuits, they get to do PLC, they get to do programming, they get to do all kinds of stuff. And then I also teach fluid power mechanical, so mechanical components. And so they get to actually learn about motors and gears and pulley systems, and that's in the mechanical class. They get to do the hands-on where they actually build these types of systems. And then I teach fluid power, which is hydraulics and pneumatics, and they get to create hydraulic systems. And we have these trainers that are really neat. I'm sure you've seen them, but they get to go in and they essentially, it gives them a schematic and it says, okay, we want this cylinder to extend and then retract. And so they go in and they have to plug and play with these hoses and figure out certain aspects of it. And so it takes chemistry, math, art even, and it just implements it all into the 4 years of that they're in our courses. So the main thing for me is we do a little bit of theory in the classroom, and then most of the other stuff is hands-on. And then we get the freedom to not only use the trainers, but we have extra equipment where they can apply that knowledge that they've done throughout the year. And we'll usually do a project where they can say, okay, I'm just making something up, rather than here's a schematic, make this exact thing. They get to take the knowledge they've applied all year, they've had all year, and apply it to an actual project and make something that works. If you want to be an engineer, this is the program to be in at any high school level. I tell my students all the time that this program is putting them above and beyond anything that I had going in, and same with Saletti. I went into college and I didn't even take a drafting class, and so I had to start at ground zero. These students, if they have an opportunity to come here and be in this program, they could potentially leave with 60 some odd credit hours, and the number of, I can't even think, I think we're up to 10 or 12 certifications. So this is stuff that they can take immediately into college, and they can get an internship and they can start working in college and getting that experience. And Sletty and I have a vision where it starts at a young age, middle school. Hopefully they come to our program and then they can feed directly into schools like MTSU or Tech, and they're already sophomores, and then they can get an internship even at our as a senior here, and then that internship translates to their college years and then translates to a real big time job. And then by that time they have 5 or 6 years with this one specific company, and they can just grow from there. And so this program, not only does it offer college, it's the future that it provides and the potential that you can and grow in the engineering just from even a young age is just phenomenal. I used to be at another school, and don't get me wrong, I loved that school. But when Saletti asked me to come here, it was almost a no-brainer. Like, this program is phenomenal, and the experience, the kids, the hands-on experience alone is just unreal. And I highly recommend it to any kid that seriously wants to be involved in engineering.